People to keep talking basically and say I'm gonna hide and get surgery and all of that. January was my trial year to get myself back in the gym, to get myself on a schedule, to start eating properly. February is the time to get late. Get late.
NAGBM Productions.
So good morning, it's Monday. It's another vlog week, and this week is mostly gonna consist of me getting myself together. Hi. Stop. Why do my kids always do this? They always start making noise as soon as I pull out my camera. But it's Monday and it's 11:50. I don't know why this thing just zoomed in on my face like that. It's 11:50 and I am making the list for the week and also grocery list. So ever since we started going to the gym, I started to make sure I write down the dinner for the week and a grocery list for the week so that we always have stuff in the house to eat and I know exactly what I'm gonna cook. I like to cook early. Hubby likes to cook late sometimes he does the cooking, but I like to cook early and get it out the way, and that's one thing I don't have to worry about. So this tracks my calories, my steps, my heart rate. I love this watch. As you can see, my kids broke my damn watch. When you have kids, it's something else. Oh, and my weekly flowers. They're so beautiful. Babe bought me these, so thank you, babe. So for breakfast now, I normally eat some oatmeal. And I normally make a lot because my kids normally eat out my oatmeal. They like it a lot, especially Milani. Take this off the stove so it don't burn. So this is what I eat. It's almost my eating time, I think. Yeah, it's 11:56. So yeah, that I'm gonna let that cool and finish we're having a shrimp salad today for dinner. Finish my grocery list. I will see y'all tomorrow. Oh no, I'll see you guys later when I take these kids to the park. That's what we're gonna do, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go get my nails. I can't wait, I'm so excited. I'm gonna do my eyelash. I'm gonna try to do my eyelash myself. I'm gonna do my brows. Just maintain, get my life together. So yeah, because I've been looking crusty and dusty ever since the year started. So Need to get my life together. And my hair appointment was supposed to be this week, but my hairstylist actually don't have anything for this week, so it's going to be next week. So I'm gonna have to find something to do with my hair this week. I'm probably gonna do an extended pony. Whatever I do, you guys will see. I don't know why my damn camera is doing this dumb thing. Whatever I do, you guys will see. Probably do some crisscross applesauce in the front with a nice extended pony because I have some weave left. So yeah, that's what we're doing this week, and I need to go check the PO box. So I'll see you guys in a few before I keep rambling on. Deuces. So I just came from doing my nails. I would like to know if I'm the only one that goes through this. So I left the house at like 2:45, 2:48, and I've been here, it's like 6 something, like 5 minutes after 6. My anxiety is through the roof. Anytime I'm outside of my house for a certain amount of time, I get serious anxiety. Like I'm crawling out my skin, like you need to hurry up because I need to go. I don't know what the hell that is. Comment if you have that, because anytime I try to get my nails and my toes done and my hair, if it takes longer than a certain amount of time, my anxiety is through the roof. Like I need to go home, I need to go check on my kids. Comment if you go through this, especially if you're a mom. I think this also coincides with mom guilt and stuff, because before I had kids, excuse me, sorry, because before I had kids, I never went through this. I could actually go hours upon hours getting my hair and nails done, and I wouldn't have any concern in the world. So yeah. So like I said before, I was gonna go get my nails done. This is how they look. Don't know if you guys can see it properly. Oh, and for clarification, my nail appointment started at 2 and I left here at 1:45, 1:48. My nails actually took from 2 to about 4:30, and then from 4:30 to 6 something, she did my toes. So this is the heat protectant I use. It's the Aussie Total Moisture Miracle Heat Protectant Spray. This is what I use. And this is my blow dryer. Absolutely love my blow dryer. That's as much heat as I will use on my hair for now. Tutorial on how to do this, so I'm not gonna go too much into depth. I'm probably gonna fast forward this part. So
So this is the braiding hair I'm using. It's the Bobby Boss braiding hair, and I'm just showing you guys it. I actually use 2 pack, and all I'm going to do is I'm gonna split this hair into two. The back portion is gonna be really short, and then the front portion is gonna be super long. Then I'm gonna get a scrunchie, and I'm gonna use the scrunchie and wrap my hair in the braiding hair and also in the scrunchie. So I can only show you guys it. I can't really explain it. As you guys can see, this is what I'm doing, but be careful because of the braiding hair being so long, it actually got really knotted up. So be careful when doing this and taking your time. And this is how I was able to get my hair in a ponytail without using any pins. Also, I will say that when I'm doing the wraparound method as far as hiding the rubber band, I should have left that portion for last, and I'll explain later on why I should have left it for last.
All I care about is money in the city that I'm from. I'm sing until I feel it, I'ma go until it's done. I don't need to say what's up, and my excuse is that I'm young and I'm only getting older. Somebody should've told you I'm on one. You know I'm on one, yeah. I said I'm on one. You know I'm on one, yeah. I'm lying, I'm on a few, don't you worry, this ain't new. Can we take this to your spot? I'm on a fiction number 2, cause I popped one. Whoa, fuck it, I popped one. Okay. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's a shit. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Same nigga that you knew way back when. You acting like it's somebody you don't know. Tell me how the fuck you supposed to stay friends when you got a bunch of feelings that you don't show. I can tell certain people don't like me no more. New shit don't excite me no more. Guess that they don't really make them like me no more. You can look me in my eyes and see I hate myself. Cause if y'all what I created, then I hate myself. But still, let them girls in and tell them all leave them cell phones on the table when we see them. I'm all day with it, man. AM to the PM. Niggas hating, I just wish that they was saying when they see them all.
Excuse my daughter in the background, but I actually gave myself an hour to do this. This took me an hour and a half, and I would say the longest part was actually getting the braided down, because this was my first time doing an extended ponytail, and also my first time doing a ponytail that doesn't have any bobby pins. I will say leave the wrapping portion when you wrap the hair around it to hide the scrunchie. Leave that part for last, because I wrapped it around and then braided this and it was not good. Braid the hair first, then wrap the piece around the ponytail to hide it, and use a little bit of bonding glue and wrap it around really tight, and you won't need to use any pins. I go to the gym a lot now. I go to the gym 5 to 6 days a week, so I needed something that's going to be out my face and something that won't get in the way of me going to the gym. So I feel like this is perfect. It looks good. My hair, my natural hair looks good too. So yeah, I need to go dip the ends in water, but that's about it. This style is done. I forgot to show you guys progress pictures. So I was saying on Instagram that I wanted to show my workout routine and stuff, but I'm not quite sure. I actually want people to keep talking, okay? I want people to keep talking basically and say I'm gonna hide and get surgery and all of that because I don't really care. But a lot of people ask me for my workout routine, so I'm gonna back up and show you guys some progress that I've been getting since I've been working out. I'm also going to show you guys some before and after pictures that I posted on my Instagram. So let me put you guys down a bit. Say hi, mommy. Say hi. You want uppy? Hold on, give mommy a minute. So
yeah. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that trap, too sexy for that jack, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that trap, too sexy for that.
If you guys are wondering why I'm always in this bathroom, it's because it has the best lighting in this house because it has a huge mirror, not a mirror, a huge window, and two huge windows basically, and I get the best lighting in here. That's why I like to do my makeup in here and my hair in here, so I don't make any mistakes and everything looks seamless when I actually do it. Yeah, so let me stop rambling and get to these kids. Take them outside, do some playing, something, because it looks like their dad is gonna stay at the gym for 3 hours today. So I'll see you guys later. So we're gonna tint our brows, and this is what I use. I use the God. Don't mind me. Every time I always do this to my nose. My allergies are acting up. So I use the Godfrey tint, and this is in the color medium brown. We're also going to be trying to do our lashes ourselves. I'm gonna put my timer, I don't know if you can see it, on 1 minute. I normally only leave the front portion for 1 minute because I don't like the boxy look. see any empty spots, I'm just gonna go in and fill it in a little bit more. I feel like this side don't have a lot of brows, so it kind of takes a long process. January was my trial year to get myself back in the gym, to get myself on a schedule, to start eating properly. February is the time to get late. Get late. So I got the Kiss False Cara Bond and Seal from watching a whole bunch of TikToks. So hopefully this turns out right. I also got the Hannah Hole from Amazon, also because of TikTok. And I got these. I've had these forever and a day. Milani, these are the Kiss Premium Individual Lashes in long, and these are the Kiss Premium Lashes in, I don't even say medium or long or whatever. Maybe because the damn thing is hiding it. Flare, whatever that means. So I'm gonna try use a mixture of all three because I feel like the Hannah Hole is too long and they're 18 mm to 20 mm. They're just way too long for me. This is my first time doing, this is not my first time doing lashes. I had my lashes professionally done before, and baby, it was a mess. I almost lost my damn mind. So this is why I'm doing them myself. So I'm going to use these in the inner corner, which is the short. I'm going to use the long in the middle, and then I'm going to use some of the Hannah Hole in the outer edge. So let's see how this goes. Let's read the directions. Step 1. Brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Step 2. Wisp under lashes. Use applicator to pick a wisp from the tray. Pick up a wisp from the middle and the outer edge. For optical control application, one by one, gently place the wisps underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. Step 3. Seal the deal. Dab a thin coat of seal under wisp. The final touch eliminates any sticky residue and hold the wisp in place. Okay, let's see. So the first thing you're going to do is apply the bond. I don't have any lashes, so I'm gonna need a mirror.
All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no fucking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh baby girl, I'm torn, and somebody should've told her I pop one. Fuck it, I pop one. Oh girl, I'm on one.
So I'm gonna do the seal portion. Honestly, the bond portion is just like you're applying glue to your lashes.
Yeah, I pop on.
Two white cups and they got that drink. It could be purple, it could be pink. Pen and I you mix that bitch. Money never got till we get that bitch. And I'm on one, yeah. You know I'm on one, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yes, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
This is the finished look. I will say that these lashes took a lot longer than I thought, and they're a lot harder to put on than I thought. I will say the more that you do it, the easier it gets. And when I'm doing this again, I'm gonna show you guys how much I use. These are the short, and this is how much I used. These are the longs, and this is how much I use. I didn't use any of the Hana hole. Let me see, right here, because those are too long. And I will say the next time that I do these, I'm definitely gonna use this in conjunction with the Kiss Falscara. I feel like it would be easier and it would last a lot longer. As you can see, I went a bit behind my lashes again with the bond part, and I'm gonna go behind there again with the seal to seal it in also. The seal actually makes it less sticky. Try not to get it on my Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.